Hey, what's up, guys? So now you finally hit maintenance in the shredded state, for good. Like, this is the stage where this is the part where you can keep the diet the same for year round, and you'll just maintain a shredded state. You'll feel good. You'll have energy all the time. This is the exact point that you want to be. From here, you could take it to maybe you just want to gain some lean muscle. Maybe you want to put on a few extra pounds, whatever you want to do. But from here on out, you can just maintain this shredded state. And the best part is, now that your body's used to this maintenance at this part, you can go ahead and have a cheat day. Just once in a while. Right now, since you haven't cheated, you can do it now. So here's what will happen, okay? So if you cheat the next day, expect like a hangover. That's what's going to happen. You're going to feel hungover, you're going to feel like shit, you're going to feel lethargic. You're just not going to feel good. You're not going to want to do anything, all right? You'll look like, your body will look swollen. You'll look like a hot mess, to put it loosely. But that's fine. You're not going to gain all that fat back or whatnot. So here's the important part. Don't try to do anything special or fancy to get back into a lean state. The next day, just go about your diet as you were on the maintenance. Alright, just keep doing the things the same, and about, a few, in between 4 to 7 days, your body will return to that shredded state. Just don't do anything special. Don't try to cut calories. Don't try to add more cardio. You'll just end up screwing yourself and being hungrier and wanting to cheat again. Trust me, because once you open the door to cheating again, you have to keep a tight lid on things, because it's easy to go back real fast. So that's it. Don't do anything special. Alright, so that'll be it. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, put them definitely in the comments below. If you want me to go over any topics or whatnot, add a comment. But if you find value in these videos, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and share these videos with people. That's how I grow the channel. But other than that, moving forward, I'll be releasing, workout videos, diet videos, anything that has to do with diet and good lifestyle. Alright, so that'll be it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you on the next one.